Guys, I just got this Transcend DrivePro 230 to use in my hot potty, and yeah, this is gonna be like an unboxing of it. I've never seen the product before, and I'm gonna unbox it now. Okay, so yeah, this is the stuff that you can read quickly there. If I hold it like that, there you go. It's in focus now. And just open this up. Great. Nice. Feels like good quality box. Yeah. Amazing. So when you open up, this is what you are greeted with. A little suction thing to put your camera on the windshield. The camera itself. New. Transcend. There's where the bracket goes in. You can just click it in like that, and it's in. And yeah, that's conveniently you get a memory card with a 16 gig. Let's see if I can focus on that. Okay, let's see, it's a 16 gig. And then this is the charger or the power supply. This thing has got a built-in camera. It's got line change prevention or warning. It's got low light mode, or it works good in low light situations. And yeah, some other stuff that was in the box or is in the box is some nice plastic bags, 2 of them, booklets of other memory stuff, yeah, and then a warranty card, some other memory or nice Transcend stuff, which then when you bought this thing, you see this one has got all the dots. This is nice. So I like the one with a lot of dots. Okay. And yeah, it looks like you can get some other accessories like for other stuff. And okay, and this is your quick start guide. You can either read the first 3 pages, I think, and then get some language classes for all the other languages. This is all other languages, so then you can read everything in another language if you want, or you can just, if you just take this book, you can like learn other languages, and you can use this part that's in English to help you understand other languages and maybe say stuff in other languages. Yeah, like USB. I don't know what it is in another language, but you can read it here. Okay, so I'm gonna drive around a bit and see how it is. Let's see if it switches on. It does switch on. Ooh, it says I don't have lights on. So yeah, there you go. So it can record your stuff. Okay guys, thank you.